Hi everybody, we're here in Monaco and it's a big week for the large yacht industry. Many of you will be descending on the Port Hercules Monaco Yacht Show this week, and we've filmed another episode of the Ben Taylor podcast that's brought to you by Superyacht Services Guide. This one focuses on a tender monitoring system, Yacht Trace. So I'm here with Deborah and Dan. Deborah, what did we talk about?
The importance of needing a monitoring system as opposed to a tracking system, insurance benefits, what it monitors, how away from shore, what it relies on, things like that. Yep.
And it's because things go wrong with tenders. It's super important. I definitely learned that this time. Yeah. And Dan, what did you talk about?
Just our future plans and some of the stuff we're developing in the future as well for their products. So, yeah.
Okay, brilliant. Enjoy Monaco Yacht Show this week, everybody. All being well, we'll see you around. Deborah and Dan will also be around throughout the show. So we'll see you there. Bye for now. Safe travels.